Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monet, the girl that slays. And today we're doing a wig install.
I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Gang glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Gang glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Gang glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Gang glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Gang glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Gang glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Gang glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Gang glow. Gang glow.
That's it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to next week's video. Make sure you comment down below what you guys would like to see next.